All right, Saturday, January 24th, 2026, the beginning of the snow and ice storm. It's, what time is it? 8:59 Saturday morning. We'll check back in later. All right, so an hour later, this is what we got going on. Pretty crazy. I guess the roads aren't too bad. People are still booking along. There's definitely snow on the roads though. So there you go. I'll check back in another hour. We'll see what's happening then. All right, it's 11 o'clock now, and this is what we got going on now. Looks like streets are
people that are purposely trying to power slide, making turns in the neighborhood across the street from.
Streets are pretty covered. Here's a guy booking along. Hope he didn't have to stop quick. He's going to be in trouble. Some kids out playing in the snow. So that's what we got 3 hours in. I'll check back in another hour, see if the ice starts or not. All right, hour 3, it's noon. Still snowing. Streets covered. Don't see any traffic. I hear some though. Well, snow's still coming down. It hasn't changed into ice yet, as far as I can tell. We've probably got, I don't know, maybe an inch of snow. So anyway, that's it. Going back in the house. I'll update in an hour. All right, so it's 1:05. The still snowing, but very light. Very light. Don't know if you can even and see it on the camera. Road's still covered. I did come out and brush the snow off of my car. So that was about an hour ago. There's a truck coming down the road. But anyway, this is what we got. Just wanted to give you an update. We'll come back out in another hour, see how she goes. All right. All right, 2 o'clock. This is the update. Getting a little bit of a real slight drizzle of, I'm not sure if it's rain or sleet. That's supposed to pick up. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm getting rain on my head, so that's not good. I'll check back in an hour. Later. All right, latest update. It's raining, and that is ice accumulation on my car. Still kids outside playing over there across the street. Yeah, it's cold out here. It's 24 degrees. I don't know if you can see the stuff. That's sleet bouncing off my shirt, so it's sleeting right now. Anyway, this is supposed to go on until tomorrow. Not good. All right, it's what time is it? 4:04. A very slight sleet falling from the skies. I can see my car's Getting a little more ice piled on it. It's very quiet out here. I don't see any traffic at all. Can hear some traffic in the distance. Quite far away though. But yeah, this is the update. 4 p.m. update. Stuff's still falling. Alright, so next day, this is what we're dealing with. Why is my gimbal not? There we go. As you can hear, it's raining. And it's leaving this. Not good. This is what I was hoping didn't happen. You can see my car is covered in ice. And I haven't looked at the forecast yet, but I believe it's supposed to do this all frickin' day. So, yeah, not good. I will report back later. Look at the trees. This is what brings down those power lines. I'm praying doesn't happen to me. I'll report back later. Bye. It is yeah, the pretty fluffy snow is gone. It's all ice. And there's water up underneath this. Whoops. There we go. Come on, buddy, you can do it. The poor dog trying to make his way on this ice is no fun for him. Let's go over here where there's no ice. Come over here, Kenny. Oh man, look at the ice on these trees. On this tree. The wind is picking up. I don't like that at all. Look at that. Probably not the brightest thing for me to be doing is standing up underneath this damn thing. Oh man. Check that out. Yeah, the wind is kicking up. That is not good for this. Good on ice. My electric line, my power line is right there from that pole. Goes right through where this tree is to that pole right there. Just praying that this thing stays. Alright, there's not many vehicles out. I've got a couple that just went by. There are some. Come on, baby. Come on. You want Daddy to pick you up? Alright, I'm shutting this down. Alright, it's day 3. It's Monday. And this is whoa. Oh, good. Good. Looks like I might be able to open my door actually. Oh, I can. Fantastic. Okay, so that's good news. The sun is melted the ice off of this side of my car, so I'll be able to come out here and defrost the windows and things. But this is, you can hear the ice crunching under my feet. the ground is like, it's just a solid sheet of ice over the snow. Whoa, whoa, almost busted it again. I'm gonna have to be really super careful out here. I just want to get some shots of the trees. A weeping willow. See the ice coating on it. The sun coming through. I mean, it looks beautiful, but it is dangerous as all get out. This is what we're dealing with. And this is why so many people are without power. I fortunately still have my electricity. Thanking God for that. Yeah, this is why the power are out. There's, last I heard, I think there was something like between Nashville and Rutherford County, there's like 300,000 people without power. They're doing the best that they can to get it restored. But yeah, our temperatures are going to be dropping this week. I think we have one day where it's supposed to get to like 32 for a couple hours or an hour or two, and then it's going to drop right back down again. At night, we could be getting like 0 or even below 0, which is very unusual for my part of the country. Yeah, I just thought this was pretty interesting. Been through ice storms. It's been a bunch of years. My poor trike, my Can-Am Riker is covered. But anyway, that's the last update. I'm gonna turn this thing off so I can. Alrighty. Looks like the streets are doing decent out here. I don't know if I'll be able to get up my driveway though, but that's another issue altogether. Alright folks, later. Don't know if it turned off. It did not.